Well, the Spotify car thing is officially discontinued, or at least it will be as of December 9th, 2024, when every last one of them sadly becomes a brick. It's an incredibly frustrating move that lots of folks on YouTube and in the media have covered in great length. Today, I just want to show you how I was able to get a refund and how you can do the same. All the links and items discussed will be included in the video description. Step number 1 is optional, but you can view Spotify's FAQ on the discontinuation at the website in the first link. This will give you the very limited information that they're currently sharing about the discontinuation. For step number 2, scroll all the way down to the last item on that FAQ. It's called How Can I Request a Refund? Use this option to select the Contact Customer Support link. You can also go directly to this link based on the second link in the video description. Step number 3 is to log in, and then you can select Start Messaging. Note that in order for Spotify to check your eligibility for a refund, you'll need both the email address that the account was tied to and either a copy of your original receipt or the serial number, which can be found on the back of the device. I still had the original order email and therefore was able to share a PDF printout of that email. Otherwise, the serial number is very easy to find on the back. The rep was super nice, requested the exact information that I just discussed, and once it was provided, offered to issue the refund to the card that I had on file for my premium membership. My entire conversation lasted about 10 minutes. This whole situation is incredibly frustrating, not just because people out there are losing a tool that they may have found useful, but also because we now have a ton of e-waste being thrown out into the world completely unnecessarily. I'm not sure what to do with mine, but I don't plan on throwing it away. You may have noticed the fact that I actually still have the peel on my screen. I was planning on creating a review back in the day, and it never quite made it to the top of the pile. For now, I think I'm just going to put it back into the box and put it aside and maybe pull it out someday in the future to reminisce. Or perhaps someone will figure out a way to jailbreak it or do something else useful with these little machines, whichever one comes first. I hope that this information was helpful for you. If you have any insights from your refund experience, please share them in the comments to help anyone else who may have a similar challenge. If you've been able to successfully get a refund, throw that down there as well so that I know it's working for others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.